Sizzling, Sizzletastic TV, back by demand. We are filming from the Atlanta, Georgia area tonight, the new home of Sizzletastic TV. We're going to take these nice, tender ears of corn. We're going to be starting this off. We're going to be making some Sizzletastic corn here coming up to you. We're going to basically toss these guys in here. We're going to be making some chili lime corn with some mushroom provolone burgers, and we're going to use some onions. We're going to take those onions, caramelize them with our mushrooms. We're going to take and get those together and make some burgers. And we're going to put some provolone cheese over top of them, melt that cheese on there, and we're going to make some awesome fucking burgers for you. Sizzle fucking tastic tonight on Lily Sizzling. We're going to heat up some onion buns, bring that to, incorporate it to, and then serve it up, plate it to all y'all on Sizzletastic.tv. So stay tuned to that. So we're going to start off here with our corn, get it boiling up. We're going to get that corn nice and tender so we can get it off the cob. We're going to slice those motherfuckers up, and then basically we're going to go from there and start seasoning those guys up and getting our meat ready. Okay, coming back to you, Sizzletastic.tv. Like, subscribe, click the fucking ads. Welcome back. So we're going to take our meat here, and we're going to take our man meat here. We're going to rub it with, get it ready for our buns. So man meat and buns tonight is our theme. So basically this is some garlic powder and a little bit of seasoning salt, and we're going to put this in here and make these nice and garlicky. You want a nice good flavor here. We're going to flavor up our vegetables as well. Season your meat, make some really seasonable meat patties. Remember to massage your meat! Your cow innards. Okay, so that's basically a good massage there on our meat. Alright, so we have that there, and we're going to take this meat and we're going to make burger patties. We're going to spank it! Spank your meat! On Sizzletastic.tv, like and subscribe, watch Lily spank meat. So once your meat is nice and spanked because it's been fucking naughty, you're going to put it into your pan. We're going to heat up this pan. We're going to make little burger patties out of it. So that's basically what we're doing. We'll get all of our burgers here ready, and then we're going to start getting our vegetables ready, and then we're going to turn it all on, and we're going to cook it the fuck up, and we're going to get ready to eat. Alrighty, welcome back. Sizzletastic.tv. We're going to ignite these burgers up. I don't know my own stove. There we go. So we're going to turn these on to a good low, let them simmer up over there. We're going to add a little bit of olive oil into this cast iron skillet. We're going to start getting our mushrooms ready. I'm going to cook those guys up. I won't make them talk tonight. Maybe I will in a little bit. I'll make them talk for y'all and say something stupid. Alright, so I'm going to cut up my onion here, and we're going to try not to fucking cry. Okay. And we're going to get some onion rings ready for y'all. Get the skin off first. When I'm nervous, I can't cut an onion. Lily, why are you nervous? We have a new cameraman tonight, y'all. Welcome, Travis, to the show.
Hello.
Hello, everyone. Travis likes to eat farm animals. He could probably eat all those burgers in the pan.
I sure could.
Old McTravis had a farm. Yeah. With a cow, a chicken, fish, sushi. He'll eat anything.
Yep.
What's your favorite genre of food? Like Mexican, American, Thai, Chinese? Do you have a favorite, or is it all just fucking good?
I like everything.
You like everything?
Everything.
Okay. Even pussy. Is pussy one of your favorite food
Yep,
groups?
that's pretty good.
Pussy is a favorite food group
It's
of
pretty
Travis.
good.
Okay, so we're going to take our onions and put them in here. Look, you can fist this one. Fist your onions. Stretch them out as you put them in. They come in all different shapes and sizes. Like these ones are like little vaginas. You can stick a finger in them. They're like tight. That's like a virgin. These ones are blown out. I don't know what the fuck happened to them. Okay. There are no more bloopers, Lily. Just had a blunder. Just like me. Okay, add some fresh ground pepper over this. We're going to season up these vegetables. That's some garlic, seasoned salt, red pepper. And we're going to add a little bit more olive oil over the tops. That way they don't stick because they are in a cast iron pan. Alright, so we're going to turn these guys on and we're going to let them caramelize come too. Meanwhile, we have our spank meat over here that's cooking up, and we have our corn that's cooking up. And so basically, we're going to let all this stuff come together, and then we're going to create it. We're going to take that corn, we're going to make that into that chili lime corn like I'm talking about, let these caramelize up, get these burgers ready, get everything to go. So that's our status update on Lily Sizzly, Sizzletastic.TV. And we're going to take our corn here, our napalm yellow dicks that are really hot, and we're going to get all the kernels off. We're going to take these little juicy kernels of goodness, and we are going to refry them up with a bunch of seasonings. We're going to try not to burn the holy shit out of our fingers. If this starts to happen, use a kitchen towel. Ouch. Don't be dumb like me, kids. Alright, so basically this is what we're going to do to our corn. Just get all the corn off. We're going to make a whole pan full of this corn. You're going to come back and see me sizzle it up, season it up. And meanwhile, I mean, this stuff's looking good. I mean, it's starting to cook up in there. It's looking real good. Burger meat's coming too. I'll be flipping those shortly. And okay, I put Travis on the spot about his favorite food. So tell us again, what is your favorite food? We were just talking about it.
Anything with red meat,
Red meat.
steak, anything like that.
He made the best motherfucking steak I've ever had in my fucking life. We've got to get this guy on the show. We have to demand for him to cook steak for us. Best steak I've ever had, hands down. Hands down. And I'm not just being nice about it. It was the best steak ever. So basically we're going to take these cut kernels of corn from our napalm yellow dicks. We're going to shove them in here into our pan. And we're going to start adding some butter and all different seasonings up to them. We're going to pretend like all that corn's in there. And then we would add butter. We're going to add a good spoonful of butter that's going to help season it up in there. And this is chili powder. It's chili powder and some seasoned salt, a little bit of cayenne, and some garlic. That's going to go in there. We're going to also add in lime and jalapeno. So let's get our corn shucked up into our pan. Yep. And we're going to come back to y'all. Sizzletastic.TV. Like, subscribe. Travis is taking and cutting all of our corn. Yeah. Hello, people. What were you just saying about mushrooms?
It's one of my favorite vegetables.
His favorite vegetable.
If it is a vegetable.
What is a mushroom? It's like a fucking fungus, right?
Yeah. I guess, probably.
Yeah. I mean, it grows in cow shit. It can grow in some pretty gnarly environments. I think it's fungus. There's our fungus.
Yeah, I don't think it's a vegetable.
Okay.
No.
It's toadstools from Super Mario Brothers.
Yeah.
So he's doing all of our corn. Look at that big old pile of corn. Yummy. Red-handed eating the rest of the corn. Is it good?
Just eating the cob.
You're eating the cob?
Mm-hmm.
And we're in Cobb County. You're eating the cob. When you're in Cobb County, y'all, you take your fucking dick corn and you suck it. And it comes with milk. He says that the milk is really good. Oh, the milk is so fucking good. You don't want to bite on it too fucking much. I mean, it makes fucking hurt and cough. And don't talk with your mouth full. Alrighty, y'all, so we're going to put all this in the pan. And then we're going to stir it together and incorporate it with the jalapeno in a second. Oh yeah, look at all that beautiful corn. Corny goodness. That's kind of like what it's going to look like. And next we're going to take a jalapeno, de-seed it, chop it up. I remember when I made a bunch of jalapeno poppers for y'all, I used gloves that night. I was like, I'm not going to go through like 20 of these things without a pair of gloves on. Seeds burn the holy crap out of your hands after a while. Try to dice them up small. I'm not usually picky about how we cut our jalapenos. Or how we cut any vegetable for that matter. And we have it. And just de-seed them. I just cut them and make a deep cut and pull out the seeds.
That's where the heat is.
Yeah, I know that's where the heat is. It makes him hot as shit. He's like, no, you're taking away the heat, Lily. He likes spicy food, y'all. Would you prefer it with or without the heat?
It's spicy enough as is.
Spicy enough as is?
Yeah.
Okay.
Either way, however you like it, I like it.
Oh, okay. And there we have it. I'm quiet while I chop my vegetables. I don't want to cut my fucking fingers off. Alrighty, so add up a jalapeno into that badass motherfucker. And now we're going to add in some lime. Secret is, I do this, I roll my lime, get the lime juice ready, cut her in half, and we're going to take all of her nectar. Oh my god, stingy lime. That or my hands are not going to squeeze it. Ah! Hulk! Hulking your lime! I got a stingy fucking lime. That's just my luck. Want to hulk my lime in a few minutes? Squeeze it. Here, squeeze it! Squeeze it good! Like you fucking mean it. Make her drip.
You know, if you microwave them, it'll make them a lot easier to get out.
Okay. He's a chef too, y'all, so he'll tell you. Microwave them, Lily. Okay, thank you. We will do that next time. His nails with the lime juice. He was just telling me all of its great uses. So what can lime juice do for you?
It can bleach your nails.
Okay. Hot green chilies from New Mexico into that bad mother. Now that Travis has had his lime manicure. How was your lime manicure?
It was wonderful.
It was wonderful. So your nails feel nice and clean.
Mm-hmm.
That's good.
I was just trying to think of something to do with the lime before I threw it away.
You clean your fingers and your fingernails. They do dirty things.
Yep.
All right, y'all. There we go. That's our lime corn there. And we're going to turn that guy on. Button. There we go. To about a good medium. Let him come up too. These are our onions, and they are looking sizzle-fucking-tastic. They smell sizzle-fucking-tastic. That's going to be going over the tops of our burgers here. And these are burgers cooking in a little teensy tiny pan, so I'm going to try to maneuver them around and flip them. Don't overflip your burgers. I've always said that. Do not cut into your burgers. Do not cut them to see if they're done. Do not overflip them. Do not over squeeze them. Don't be doing this. It takes out all the juice in the middle. You don't want to do this. This is sirloin meat, by the way, so it's kind of lean. Good meat. There we go.
90% lean.
90% lean.
10% fat.
He knows. He's the meat master.
Yeah.
He's the Sizzletastic meat master. Okay. So we flipped them. We're going to let them cook over there for a good another 7-10 minutes. I don't fucking know. Until they look pretty done, and then we're going to top this all off, and we're going to start putting cheese on them, and we're going to grill those beautiful buns and bring everything together here and start eating soon. We're getting ready, getting close to be done on Sizzletastic.tv. Get your fucking lime manicures on Sizzletastic.tv. I should charge for that shit now. Sizzletastic.tv, like, subscribe, click the fucking ads. So we're here with our buns. I'm going to take our fucking buns and we're going to fucking butter them. If only I was in a bikini, I'd be slathering this all over my ass like lube. Okay, does butter make good lube? Only time will tell. Okay, so basically we're going to butter our buns and try not to molest the bread any further. No molesting the bread, Lily. I've already molested the onions in that. They're saying, me too, me too. They're part of the Me Too movement. I'm the Bill Cosby of onions. Okay, so let's put that in there. Let's let the buns cook up. This is basically done. We're going to put this onto a plate here, get our caramelized onions up and ready to go. Burgers are basically done. I'm going to add some provolone cheese over tops of these guys in a second here. Corn's about done. Everything's about fucking done. We're going to butter up our buns, let those things grill up, and start plating this up for you. Sizzletastic.tv. I put a bunch of provolone cheese over the tops of all that beautiful sirloin meat, and we're going to jizz up our burgers here with some fucking cheese here in a second. Let's let it get nice and jizzy and stringy. Don't be stingy with your fucking cheese. Sizzletastic.tv. Let's let that cook up there. The fucking truth right here. Got our burgers all nice and jizzed up here. We're going to get one of these guys up onto a bun. Oh yeah. He'll probably eat like 2 or 3 of these things. Look at that cheese. Ah! And we're going to get some of these onions and mushrooms over the tops of them. Mushrooms and caramelized onions. No escapees. Do not jump off the plate. You will be fucking eaten, Princess Toadstool. Fuck you, bitch. Okay, there we go. And now let's get some corn, shall we? Get corn. There we go. Let's get corny. Corny and horny. Okay, and then we're going to add a little bit of queso cheese up over top of this. Yeah, cheese that motherfucker. Don't be fucking stingy on that shit. There we go. Sizzle fucking tastic. So, okay, tonight, y'all, what we did with these burgers, we caramelized those onions, those mushrooms, we added in all that seasoning. We took our corn, we added in the jalapenos, all the hot chili peppers there, and all those seasonings there, shucked our corn, just our burgers, and we made these beautiful motherfucking burgers, and we're gonna see if they taste good. Up next, Sizzletastic.tv, like, subscribe, click the fucking ads. All right, moment of truth. Are you ready to try your burger? Yes. Try your Sizzletastic.tv burger. See, the mushrooms are fucking fantastic. Sizzletastic.
Mm-hmm.
Is it good?
Mm-hmm. That's perfect.
It's a burger orgasm in your mouth. Mine's shitting out an onion, dude. It's like fish food. I'll eat it. Okay. That's fucking good. Let's try the fucking corn.
Perfect. Perfect.
I gotta try the corn. I'll tell you how guys how the corn tastes. After I swallow, I do swallow. I don't spit. Okay, corn time. That's fucking good too. Try your spicy corn, dude. You'll like that. Here, here's pork. I made the corn to impress you because it's spicy. You like your corn? Say sizzle fucking tastic.
Sizzletastic.
Sizzletastic.tv. Like, subscribe.
Perfect.
It's perfect. Thank you. Thank you. Got my corn.
It's the best corn I've ever had.
Are you serious? You're not just being nice.
Nope, I'm usually lazy and just eat it on the cob.
Okay.
But it's good with the peppers and the lime juice and the cheese.
Thank you.